out here at Brookwood. So we were able to bring back all graduating DJs who are graduating this week from Hamilton High School or other local high schools who came here to Brookwood Elementary as students. I think one of the coolest things about a clap out like this is that for even our youngest learners, our kindergarten students, they get to hear from the seniors themselves about their plans after graduation. So this morning, they got to hear from students who are going to college, who are going into the workforce or the military, and they have those role models to look up to. So each day we talk about them doing their best, about being Brookwood, and they got to see role models that they now get to visualize what graduation looks like to them. It was so awesome to welcome back former teachers. I think one of my favorite things this morning is when the seniors were talking about their favorite memory, how many of them called out teachers by name about favorite things. So whether how art class impacted them in their career that they're going to, or how they loved Zach with Miss Stroud. It was so awesome to hear them talk about current and former teachers that really influenced their lives.